back to my channel and thanks for watching my new video. I always have the most stupid intro ever, but today I'm here with... Hey guys! She is Makeup by Anne, one of my biggest inspirations when it comes to makeup. Follow her on Instagram. I will link her Instagram below. And this is... we're here in Turkey, in Marmaris to be precisely. Honestly, I didn't vlog because I was just too tired and we were knocked out when we came to the hotel in Bodrum. But we're on a press trip with PR Box, PR, which is a English travel agency. And we are just going to explore Mugla, so it's kind of like a work, but it's kind of like a holiday as well. Arrived in the Green Nature Diamond Hotel, and this is in Marmaris, and it's kind of weird because I know how to pronounce Marmaris in Turkish, but it kind of feels weird to switch off like accent or something, if you know what I mean. So we've been to Okra Hotel. No, it's Orca. Keep saying Okra, but Okra is actually a food, but it's Orca, and I really love that hotel. I can really recommend it, and this is, by the way, not sponsored at all. Honestly, I've been traveling a lot with this guy over here. We've been away for almost 4 or 5 weeks now. And I'm also looking forward to going home to film some YouTube videos. I have some new tips and tricks when it comes to makeup that I really like. I changed up some things and I really like it. And also don't mind my makeup because I really liked it today. But I've been in the sun for like 3 hours and in the bus and with air conditioning, without air conditioning. So it doesn't really look pretty today, but I do have to say that I really love this highlighter. It's from Colourpop. This is the lipstick. It's actually like still on my lips without even retouching it. But it's the Too Faced, my favorite at the moment. It's Sunday Fun Day lipstick from Too Faced, and it's really like hermosa. So I've never been on a jet ski, but the boys, they really want to rent a jet ski or a speedboat, so we have to figure that out yet. But this makeup is melting because of the sun, and I didn't bring my all-nighter makeup setting spray, which kind of sucks. Say you want the top now, when I don't need it. So you got it all, so you want it all, when you're so feeling. Living your life chasing the check while they chit-chat. So we just came back from our jet ski with, and it was so freaking awesome. It was so quick. I said jet ski, but I meant like speedboat, obviously. But it was amazing, and we were on, and we were just laughing so like loud. Really, like, oh my god, I had a blast. So that was really fun. It was my first time, and I hope definitely not the last time, because I don't know, it was just a lot of fun. I could definitely recommend it. And so I saw this cute dog living, I think, on the street or on the beach, and I think it was from the person who rented where we rented the speedboat from. But he was so sweet, and he was just so quiet and so cute and so sleepy. So usually I never really touch dogs because sometimes I'm afraid of them, and yeah, I don't know, I think they're sweet, but just, you know, from a distance. But this one was just, oh my god, I had to like hug him and touch him, and he was just like all enjoying, and I fell in love with this dog. Okay, I fell in love. So now I want a dog. Is that weird? But if I want a dog, I want a dog who's like very lazy, like chilled out, or else I might freak out. But yeah, now I want a dog, and I'm going to tell my husband until he gets us a dog. He was really cute, guys, really cute. Maybe if I see him tomorrow, I will definitely film him, or her. I don't know the difference. So yeah, that's that. I wanted to tell you that as well. Say you want the top now, when I don't need it. very good for your skin, but I think I'm going to leave it for the other girl. You went in the mud bath last year, right? Yeah. Did you like it? Should we insert the photo in the video? He says. Hey guys, I will show you the view in a minute, but this is so beautiful. We're at the Blue Lagoon beach, very beautiful, and I was really looking forward to see this. And you know, I've seen a lot from Turkey honestly, but I've never really seen like a very good, you know, like a turquoise beach with the white sands, and this is definitely very beautiful. We're on this yacht. It's the, I forgot the name, but Anne went in the water. She was brave enough. Yeah, she was brave enough to do it. I was scared enough because it was very cold at the beginning, but later it went like really warm, right? Used to it. Yeah. And now we're going back to the hotel. We are so hungry, and although everything is beautiful, there's no food. How can you have no food? In Turkey, we are going to have some dinner. It's our last dinner, and with everyone, obviously. Hello, my love. Are you vlogging? You have to act very posh in our posh clothes. We are, as you can see, we are very dressed up for this event.
We're the only one in this type of
Yeah, we're the only one with like swag. Oh, you chilling with the family in the front.